Measurement. In our day-to-day life, we measure many things, isn't it? How will you buy things like fruits, vegetables, milk, oil? How would you say the temperature of the body, the speed of a vehicle? Do we use same units to measure these? No, we use different units. Quantities such as mass, weight, distance, temperature, volume are all called physical units. Generally, physical quantities are classified into fundamental quantities and derived quantities. A set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities, and their corresponding units are called fundamental units. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities in SI units. They are length, the unit of length is meter, mass, kilogram, time, second, temperature, Kelvin, electric current, ampere, amount of substances, mole, and luminous intensity, candela. Normally, we use centimeter, meter, and kilometer to express the distances that we measure in our day-to-day life. Can we use the same unit for space research? Can we use the same unit for space research to measure very long distances, such as the distance between the Earth and the star, or the distance between 2 stars? To express these distances, we shall learn about 2 such units, namely astronomical units and light year. Astronomical unit is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. Light year is the distance travelled by light in vacuum during the period of 1 year, which helps to measure the distance in deep space. The physical quantities which can be obtained by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities, and their corresponding units are called derived units. Some of the derived quantities are area, volume, speed, density, etc. Area is a space bounded by a closed figure. The area of regularly shaped figures can be calculated using the relevant formula. But can we use formulae for finding the area of irregularly shaped objects? Then how can we find the area of irregularly shaped objects? For that, we use graphical method. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a 3-dimensional object. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. As in the case of area, the volume of the regularly shaped objects can be determined using an appropriate formula. Volume of liquids can be determined using a measuring cylinder and by liter and its multiplies. Whereas, volume of irregularly shaped objects can be determined by Archimedes' principle. Density is the mass of the substances contained in unit volume and its unit in kilogram per meter cube. The lightness or heaviness of a substance is due to density. A substance has greater density when more mass is packed into the same volume than the substance which is packed with less mass. Let's see now the relationship between mass, density, and volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is equal to density into volume. Volume is equal to mass by density. Thus, measurement provides a standard for everyday things and processes.